Hello student of class 12, this is the continuation of your previous video vector algebra. Now I will start types of vector. First, zero vector. Vector having magnitude 0 unit is called zero vector. That means if I start from A, then the direction is A, but I am still stay in A. So A equal to zero vector. I am going to direction of A, but A and initial point and terminal point is same. So distance AA equal to 0. Initial point equal to here terminal point for zero vector. Next I am coming to co-initial vector. Co-initial vector, that is vectors having same initial point. That is, P is a point, P, Q, P, R, P, S. Here P is the initial point for PQ vector, PR vector and PS vector. So P is called the vectors having the same initial point. All vectors, for all vectors P is the initial point. Next is equal vector. Vectors having same magnitude and same direction is called equal vector. If example is same magnitude and same direction, if AB is a vector, that is A. This is vector B. This is equal to 4. Magnitude of A equal to 4. Magnitude of B equal to 4. This is equal vector and direction is same, magnitude is same. Here this is C vector. Here magnitude is same, but initial point is different. Here the initial point is same. This is parallel vector. Initial point is same, but here initial point is this. Initial point is different, but magnitude and direction is same. If D, vector D equal to 4, that means vector A equal to vector B equal to vector C equal to vector D. This is equal to 4. Okay. Here the direction is this. But if I write E equal to 4, E equal to 4, E direction of E, that is direction of E equal to 4. Magnitude is same, but direction is negative. So this is not equal to vector E. If I say I can tell it in this way: vector A equal to vector B equal to vector C equal to vector D equal to minus vector E, that is equal to 4. So the direction and magnitude are all same for all vectors. Then A equal to minus E, B equal to minus E, C equal to minus E, D equal to minus E equal to 4. This is the equal vector. Collinear vector. Collinear vector or parallel vector. If one vector A is expressed in this way, A equal to lambda B, where lambda is scalar quantity. If one vector is expressed as in this way, so this is the collinear vector or parallel vector. Example, if A vector equal to 4 and B vector equal to 8, this is A vector, this is equal to 4. Magnitude of A vector is this, and magnitude of B vector equal to 8. So vector B, this is equal to 2 into vector A. Here I can express B in this way, 2 into A vector. Here lambda equal to 2. So B vector and A vector is parallel or collinear vector, or A vector equal to half of B. Here lambda equal to half. I can write it in this way, either this way or in this way. This is the property of collinear vector and the mathematical expression for collinear vector. If A is here 4 and D is also 4, so it is not parallel, because initial point is same but direction is different. Direction is different, so it is not parallel vector or collinear vector. Unit vector. Unit vector. Unit vector in the direction of A vector and is denoted by A cap. Okay. Example, A is terminal point, A is initial point, B is terminal point. A, B, C, D, E. Here AB equal to 4 unit, AC equal to CD equal to DE equal to EB equal to 1 unit. AC plus CD plus DE plus EB equal to AB vector. Okay. AC, CD, DE, all are unit vectors in the direction of, AB. So, AC equal to CD equal to DE equal to EB equal to 1/4 AB. So, all are equal to 1. Okay. And unit vector is written in this way. Unit vector, this is equal to vector by its magnitude. Vector A by its magnitude. This is unit vector. This is the writing procedure of unit vector. Unit vector in the direction of x-axis is I cap. Unit vector in the direction of y-axis is j cap. Unit vector in the direction of z-axis is k cap. Okay. Now I am ending here. The next portion will come soon.